you guys are doing really well, and I really want you to master that basic facial massage that we've just learned. And in the meantime, I want to talk to you about eye skincare protocol, which is actually the topic where I want to talk about the skincare for a certain age, right? Please make sure you read the files attached to the course. There will be an explanation of how to take care of delicate under eye area at the age of 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and beyond. So as we all know, this area is very delicate, and unfortunately there are many mistakes that we're doing. We might start seeing signs of aging in the eye area as early as 20 and 25. It is actually the age when we cannot neglect an eye cream or a serum. So I want to talk to you about common mistakes that we make in eye skincare. First of all, very often we use face serums or creams instead of the product that is designed for the eye area. Unfortunately, we do that, but we cannot, because these two areas are very different, and sometimes we use the creams that are way too heavy. They just make a film on your skin, and that just prevent your skin from breathing, and will promote the puffiness or under eye bags in the future. Alcohol containing products, most likely that will be toners, lotions. I would suggest you do not use products containing alcohol for your face as well, especially if you have acne prone skin, right? And alcohol dinette, it's not an alcohol. The alcohol is just one word, alcohol or ethanol. If you see these two things in the ingredients, just put that away. Don't use it. You're losing nothing. You're just saving your skin in the future. Alcohol will dehydrate your skin. So a single use might not be that bad, but if you're just using a product under your eyes or just for your face, it will dehydrate your skin and also make your skin acid mantle, not be healthy. Now, every time we're using scrubs or exfoliating products or even cleansing toners, toner containing BHA, AHA, they're not designed for the eye area. We still use it there. And I suggest every time you get a new product, read the description, because very often it says avoid the under eye area, or sometimes we're just maybe not careful enough, or we think, oh, it's good for the face, it might be good for the under eye area. No. Now, under eye patches, I think it's one of the most famous feature for under eye care. We will talk just in a second about that, but it's a mistake if you use it every day and if you apply it for longer than 15 minutes, some people even longer than 20 minutes. If you fall asleep in your makeup, I believe no one ever does that anymore. It's bad for your under eye area, but you know, teenagers do that a lot, and think about it, it will pay off later. So always find that 5 minutes of your time to remove makeup before bed, even if you're taking a nap. The diet as a vast topic about under eye bags. If you do not have any underlying conditions, something you've discussed with your doctor, right? Excessive salt in your diet can contribute to the appearance of under eye bags and puffiness, and also continuous eye strain. What is continuous eye strain? It could be as simple as computer work. That's why there is a rule of 20-20 when you work, and then you let your eyes relax, and I will provide you with some eye exercises that are good for strengthening the muscles and also helping your eyes relax. We are all on our phones 24/7 mostly, and it's also the eye strain. While talking about the phones, it's very important here, when you have your phone, most likely you will see the picture of people looking at the phone like that, right? So now if we think about it, the double chin problem is just, you know, right at the corner, and if not, your neck is strained, you know, down. These muscles are tensed, and so goes for the shoulders and your back, and all this in the long run will make your posture very poor, and it will bring on the neck problems, and all this will make sure that your face oval is just going down. You know, so if you want to have a good looking skin without puffiness, you need to start with that phone habit. So make sure every time you want to look at the phone, you put it like there. I know it might look awkward, but why would you care? So just put it there. Look at it like this. Okay, maybe like this, but never like that, especially if you're watching a movie or something. The phone in our hands is almost really several hours a day. It brings havoc on your neck health, and your neck health impacts your the way your face looks directly. Now, under eye puffiness obviously could be the cause when you neglect the proper sleep habits. Simply put it as you don't have enough sleep. The proper pillow is a hunt. I call it a hunt. You need to start as soon as you can if you haven't found one. And if you did find a good pillow and you know it's amazing and your face looks very rested and fresh in the morning, buy two, really, because you never know. Trust me, it's very important to find a good pillow. Now, smoking can contribute to the problem. And if you're not protecting this delicate eye area from the sun, the same way, you know, even when you do this, when you look at the sun, it's not good. I haven't been a fan of sunglasses myself for the most part of my life, but that has changed, and I know it has been a mistake. So if you see puffiness could be the reason if you're drinking too much coffee, alcohol of course, because these things are dehydrating, and for every cup of coffee or alcohol, make sure you have a cup of water. And just simply make sure you don't drink. If you're going throughout the day and then all of a sudden at bedtime you think, oh my god, I still have that bottle of water to finish, and you drink it before bed, also might not be the best idea. Try to really put your most water intake at least before 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm sure you will get a lot of useful information from the files I have attached, and there are two things I want you to remember. You need to hydrate, moisturize your eye area only if you do not suffer from under eye bags or excessive puffiness, because it will make the opposite effect. And you need to depuff only if you actually suffer from under eye bags, because the depuffing effect, it gets rid of that fluid in there. And when you moisturize too much, you bring on the puffiness. So I know there are products, especially under eye patches, that moisturize and depuff at the same time. In this case, I would suggest you to read the ingredients and just be 100% sure that the depuffing ingredients are actually in the very beginning, you know, and they will promote the desirable effect, rather than you just put something that will moisturize. Before we talk about the protocol of how you take care of your skin under your eyes, I want to talk about under eye patches. If you wake up in the morning and you want to use a patch, don't use a cleanser, just use a toner and then apply an under eye patch. You might get surprised, the toner, but yes, we've discussed that the toner will make sure all the ingredients work more effectively on your skin. Same goes for the under eye patch, because it's filled up with some ingredients, right? So you use it before the patch, and then say if you want to cleanse your face in the morning, you again use the toner on the under eye area. Do not use patches for longer than 15 or 20 minutes because they create an opposite effect. They will dehydrate your skin. I say 10-12 minutes is enough. I also have a video on my channel where I have a theory that I believe that if you have a habit of wearing daily the under eye patches, and you just do your regular routine, cooking breakfast and stuff, and you're just staying, I believe in the power of gravity. So I think it should be like a treatment, like a mask, you know, the best mask done. You need to lay down, relax, and let the products do the work. So that's the same idea I had for under eye patches. So if you absolutely cannot do that, so at least try to use them every second day. There are also good under eye treatments, say under eye mask, that will also promote the cooling effect, especially if you leave it in the refrigerator. So I'm voting more for this type of products. Again, you don't use them daily because they will not cool your skin down. Also, puffiness is poor lymph flow. So if you are not taking care of your lymphatic system, if you're not active, if there is excess coffee and alcohol, not taking care of your diet, if you are not performing the facial massage, just believe me, patches, they won't really do anything. Think about it. Yes, they have some of the ingredients, but if you suffer from under eye bags, you need to do something. about it and just rely on the products containing caffeine is really a poor bet. If I believe that to get rid of that problem, facial massage will be the best bet. It will really be something that will give you the results, that will prevent the condition from getting worse. It doesn't take a lot of time, and good quality products like those patches, they cost a penny for just a few pairs. I would start doing facial massage. Again, everything is working in correlation. You can't just work on the under eye area and forget about the rest. No, you need to work the entire face, and only then you will see the results you are looking for.